Welcome to Quick Takes with Cate on all things writing in under 2 minutes. Today's segment is entitled the 100-meter hyphen knot. Come on, we know it's the 100-meter dash. So what's up with that? Is the hyphen the same as a dash and the dash the same as the hyphen? A lot of folks think so, but I'm here to tell you not. The hyphen is a short mark with its own key on the keyboard. The dash is a longer mark and it doesn't have its own key. So when do we use a hyphen and when do we use a dash? A hyphen is used for compound words such as water repellent and cross-examine. The dictionary will tell you whether a word should be hyphenated, runner-up, one word, newsletter, or 2 words, fruit fly. A hyphen is also used to connect 2 adjectives before a noun. 6-inch lizard, used clothing store. But if the adjectives come after the noun, there is no hyphen. So the lizard was 6 inches, the store sold used clothing. There are 2 kinds of dashes, the M dash and the N dash. To insert a dash, you need to go to the symbols chart in Word, and there you can find them as well as the keyboard shortcuts. An M dash marks an interruption in a sentence. It can take the place of a comma, a semicolon, a colon, or parentheses. It's called an M dash because it's the width of the capital M in typesetting. An N dash is used between words like nature, nurture that form a pair, or to show a range between dates like 1914, 1918. It's called an M dash because it's half the length of the capital M. That really was a 100-meter dash. For more information, go to Touryan.com/quicktakes and be sure to check in next week for another quick take.